Hello everybody, welcome back. I am super excited for today's video because today I will be planting my seed for the single seed challenge 2022. The single seed challenge is just you take one seed, one tiny seed, plant that seed, follow the journey of that seed until the end. The seed that I will be planting is the okra seed, which I am super excited about. But if we're just meeting for the first time, my name is YAJE and I do grow African vegetables in my backyard garden in Zone 9 in Texas, and I teach people how to grow these culturally important African vegetables. All we're trying to do is take our health to the next level, and my way of doing that is to encourage people to grow a garden so they can grow their health. I also do share wellness tips. So if you're fired up to learn all about the okra in my single seed challenge and to learn how to plant the okra, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to show you step by step how to plant the okra seed. I have several seeds here, which I will explain why I have several seeds. But for my single seed challenge, I'm going to be planting the Cameroon okra. It is a round shaped okra. It's round and plump, and it has like a star shape. I believe it's like the Star of David okra. It's an heirloom variety. It's green, it grows very tall, and it is very productive. So what you need, obviously your okra seeds, and then you're going to need a container to plant your okra in. What I have here is my setup from the Bootstrap Farmer, which is this nice containers with colors. I have a seed tray here, I'll show you. So this one has drainage, and then this other one does not have any hole. So I set it up like this so that when I water it, it's not waterlogged. I just like it that way. You're also going to need, obviously, the soil. Seed starter mix, not soil. This is a seed starter mix. I have shared a video on this channel on how to make this. If you're interested, I'm going to link it up over here. And then here I also have labels to label. I'm telling you, if you don't label, you're going to forget. You think you will remember, you will forget. Of course, a marker to write with, and here is my handy dandy planting tool. Now we know that the pen with a cap is a wonderful planting tool. I have it here, and water. So once you have assembled everything, it's time to fill up. You don't need gloves. We can fill up our containers with this seed starting mix. Okay, this one has been pre-hydrated and all. Please watch that video. You want to hydrate and sanitize just to make sure we don't bring any bugs or any stuff like that. So we're going to fill it up like so. All right. Hey, did you know that okra originated from West Africa? Yes, it did, which is why okra, we call it okra, not okra. All right, which is why okra really just takes us back home, us Africans in the diaspora. So I have all of my containers filled up again because I'm going to be planting a bunch of okra in addition to my single seed. And my single seed gets the blue, so it's different. So I'm gonna put my single seed in this one, and then the rest of them over here. So let's start with the single seed. I'm gonna open that one up. I have a bunch of them. If you're interested in planting this okra from Cameroon, let me know. I do have seeds. I have a bunch of them in here. Okay, I'm just gonna pick one. Oh my God. All right, so let's go with that one. If you want okra to germinate faster, you can soak the seeds overnight to start the germination process, and it will germinate faster. All right, so that's my single seed. Let's say a little prayer. Okay, so my single seed goes right here. Again, my handy dandy planting tool, maybe ½ an inch down. The rule of thumb for planting seeds, the depth twice the size, so you don't want to bury it too deep. So here we go. My single seed goes in, cover it, and then I'm going to just water the seed. Here we go. Don't worry, it's gonna drain. Just want to give it a good soak. It will drain, but the seed starter mix is it absorbs water. It holds onto water. Someone asked me what okra I like and why. The Cameroon okra for sure. If I'm going to grow something like okra, I don't want to grow something that I can go to your regular grocery store and find. So I grow something that is kind of like rare, you know. So the Cameroon okra is rare. So I'm going to pick my seed from that. Here I have other types of okra as well. This is the white velvet okra from True Love Seeds. This is not very common, which is why I will also be planting this today. But for my single seed, for the purposes of the challenge, I'm going to be planting the Cameroon, the okra from Cameroon, which is like the Star of David okra. I did my research. So that one, but again, the white velvet okra, this one is spineless. Spineless simply means it doesn't have the little hairs that can be very irritating on the okra and on the plant, on the pot and on the plant. So it's spineless, and it says it's white. And it says this one has 65 days to maturity. 65 days to maturity means that it will take 65 days averagely from the day I sow the seeds to the day I harvest. So only in about 2 months, a little over 2 months, this is pretty good. So I'm planting this for the first time. I'm also going to plant the Hill Country red okra. This one makes beautiful, beautiful okra pots. I have grown this in my garden before. I'm growing it again. It's a plump red and very delicious. So these are the 3 okra plants that I will be planting today, including my single seed. I have other types here which I will not plant. This one is a hybrid. All of these other ones are heirlooms. That means, I guess, what does heirloom mean? I don't know, drop a comment. But heirloom, you can get seeds from, you can propagate. The hybrid ones have been bred to meet some specific needs. In the case of this okra, it's been bred to not be very tall, so it's a dwarf okra, which is suitable for container gardening. And then this one is the Clemson spineless okra. This is your regular okra that you can find at Walmart. Beginners, if you're new to gardening and you just want to try something, you can go ahead and try this Clemson spineless okra. It's super fast, 50 to 65 days to maturity, and very productive. But these 2 I will not be planting. Colors